Welcome back to the classroom. Today's topic is the working principle of PIR sensor. This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app. PIR or passive infrared sensors are capable of detecting motion. They are compact, affordable, energy efficient, user friendly, and have a long lifespan, making them commonly used in various household and commercial devices. The key question is how these sensors detect human activity. A passive infrared sensor is an electronic device that detects infrared light emitted by objects. PIR sensors are commonly utilized in motion detectors, security alarms, and automatic lighting systems. The image below illustrates a typical pin configuration for a PIR sensor, which is straightforward to interpret. The PIR sensor has three pins. Pin 1 is the drain terminal, which connects to a positive 5-volt DC power supply. Pin 2 is the source terminal linked to the ground through a 100 kilo ohm resistor or 47 kilo ohm resistor. This pin serves as the output for the sensor, transmitting the detected infrared signal to an amplifier. Pin 3 is connected to the ground. What does a PIR sensor detect? A PIR or passive infrared sensor is designed to detect movement from humans or animals within a specific range. It consists of a pyroelectric sensor that can identify varying levels of infrared radiation. The sensor itself does not emit energy, instead, it passively receives it from the environment. When a person or animal moves within the sensor's range, their body emits infrared radiation due to its temperature. This radiation is focused by the sensor's optical system, leading the pyroelectric device to produce a sudden electrical signal. In simpler terms, when a human or animal passes in PIR sensor's range, it triggers the first section of the PIR sensor, resulting in a positive change in the detected signal. Conversely, when the individual leaves the detection area, the sensor registers a negative change. PIR sensor working principle. The passive infrared sensor does not emit energy into its surroundings. It detects infrared radiation emitted by warm bodies to trigger an alarm. Any object with a temperature continuously emits infrared rays. The surface temperature of the human body typically ranges from 36 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade, with most of its emitted energy concentrated in the wavelength range of 8 to 12 micrometers. Passive infrared alarms are divided into two main components. First one is infrared detector, or also known as infrared probes, and second one is alarm control units. The most commonly used type of infrared detector is the pyroelectric detector, which functions by converting human infrared radiation into electrical signals. When human infrared radiation directly strikes the detector, it causes a temperature range that generates a signal. However, this method has limitations on detection range. To extend the detection range, an optical system is required to gather the infrared radiation. Typically, a plastic optical reflection system or a plastic Fresnel lens is employed to focus the infrared radiation. In the detection area, the lens of the detector captures the infrared radiation emitted by the human body even through clothing and directs it onto the pyroelectric sensor. As a person moves within the monitored area, they sequentially enter and exit the field of view. The pyroelectric sensor detects the presence of the moving individual for a brief period before losing sight of them, resulting in continuous fluctuations in the temperature of the pyroelectric material due to the changing infrared radiation. This variation produces a corresponding output signal which serves as the alarm signal. What is the detection range of PIR sensor? Number 1. Indoor passive infrared sensors can detect from 25 cm to 20 meter. Number 2. Indoor curtain type sensors also have a detection range of 25 cm to 20 meter. Number 3. Outdoor passive infrared sensors can detect from 10 meters to 150 meters. Number 4. Outdoor curtain type passive infrared detectors have a detection range of 10 meters to 150 meters. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how PIR sensor works. Thank you for watching.